Hey, Blake. Hi. What are you doing? Hey, you just sitting in your car? Are you just sitting in your car? You're not gonna play no music? Are you gonna play music? What? Hey, Blake. Do you like your car? Do you think it's fun? You do? You think it's fun? Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time in it? Does it make you giggle? What does it do? You just like sitting there? Yeah? You're funny. Do you like when I stick my tongue out? No? You didn't think that was funny?